Hey guys, in our last unboxing video, we unboxed this. The Ryzen 7 2700X 50th Anniversary Special Edition. And I said I want to get the 50th, I want Lisa Sue to sign everything I buy. That was basically the focus of the video. And it was my most excited for, I was the most excited for this unboxing. But today that changes, because I finally got my hands on the Radeon VII 50th Anniversary Edition. This is the special edition to go with this special edition. This is my most excited for, I don't even know if that's proper English, unboxing yet. Let's just get right into the unboxing with our brand new clear desk. Clear, I mean it's like messy, you know, like it's white, but there's not stuff on it. Whatever. I have not been so excited to unbox them in a while. I got this. Oh jeez. Now, one thing I want to say, first of all, this is surprisingly light from what you would expect. Like, it is extremely light. It's lighter than my GTX 980. That's how light it is. Wow. So inside the box, we get another box. This just has, like, stickers and stuff in it. But it also has, from what I can remember, yep, a Lisa Sue signed sticker. I must put this on something. I don't know what I'm going to put it on, but Lisa Sue signed the sticker, and I'm so happy. And just some warranty stuff. A code for a t-shirt that I wanted. It's a code for a t-shirt I wanted to get, but apparently it's been used already. No, I think it's outdated. I think that promotion ended. But in the box we have yes, I did rewrap this. I did open it to test it, if you saw the picture on my community tab. But we have the most interesting card. I've been wanting. Let me get rid of the crinkles. Alright, now that the sound's gone. I've been wanting to get my hands on a Radeon 7 ever since I heard of it. I saw it once, and after the Vega 64, I knew I had to get one. Ain't she a beautiful card? The side, honestly, the side, I think, I usually never say this, but the side is the most beautiful part. You know, they have the Radeon logo facing the right way. They've got the little glowing R in the corner. Dual 8-pin connectors. I love cards with dual 8-pin connectors. I don't know why. I like them more. I think they look nicer. We got triple fan. They don't light up or anything as far as I know. And it's so beautiful. It's such a nice red color with the silver accents. Even the backplate's good. Now, this is probably, I have two choices, or I have three choices. This is either going to go in our setup that I have a surprise. It'll go in our surprise setup. It'll go on my streaming PC for decoration, because I don't need this for streaming. But it would make a good decoration, because you could see all sides because it's a Tau 900. Or I might just go on my gaming PC to replace my GTX 1070 Ti, aka 1080 Ti, which is, this might just be, because it's almost a 2080. Some 2080s it actually beats. There's nothing under it. Usually there's like cable and stuff. This is all you get in the box, is this and its stickers. This thing, oh man, I mean, it's not signed itself. I wish she would just like Sharpie Lisa Sue onto here. It's just so beautiful. I know this unboxing was, like the unboxing part was kind of short, but there's really not much in the box in the way of actual stuff. It's just this card. Now, like I said, I've wanted one of these for so long, and I've just been waiting to justify. These are $700 graphics cards. This new 700, you find these for like $1,000 sometimes. I got a pretty good deal on a new one, but to get like the regular, just the gray one, you're looking at at least $500. So I got a pretty good deal. I paid a lot, a little over $500 as well, but for the special edition, I know some people say like, oh, the red doesn't go with anything, unlike a because it is kind of it's not like a gamery red you would see on like other cards, but unlike a silver one which goes with kind of everything, this is red or it doesn't go. This thing, it goes with everything. It's so beautiful. Like, no one's gonna look at your PC and be like, well, you got a Radeon 7, but it doesn't really match. Take it apart. This thing is just, I want to get another one. I do want to get the silver one as well, and just have two and make like a Mac Pro kind of thing. Now, of course, they don't actually I don't think they have Crossfire or anything, but I'm just so happy I can finally, let's put this, let me just put the boxes back in the box. Hold on. Let me take out my Lisa Sue sticker. You guys are going to see all this. The reboxing as well. Got to make this video a little longer. get my Lisa Sue sticker. I don't know what I'm going to put it on. Might put it on the box. I'm keeping this box. I might even just stick it on the card. Who knows? Now, the only thing I'm a little confused about is, like, I understand the red, their color's red, but, like, even the sticker, like, even the box as well, they have the whole black and gold thing going on. If this card was black and gold, oh, man, it would be so cool. But, honestly, I'll take the red. Even when this card came out, because back when I loved Radeon. I love the look of their cards. I understand, and I completely agree. Some of their cards, I mean, the new ones are great. Their older cards, the Vega 64, the Radeon VII, they didn't keep up with their Nvidia counterparts, and just their drivers were bad. They weren't the greatest. They were expensive. But you just can't deny how good looking this card. You can see the Vega 64 up there, the liquid cooled. That is going to be an unboxing video. I have another one of those to unbox. It's just such a beautiful card, and that's why I love the AMD card so much. And when this first came out, I've been talking about how beautiful the Vegas were, and someone's like, "Are you gonna get the new Radeon 7?" Didn't have $700 at the time. I still really don't, but I had to justify the spending on myself. That was an unpleasant sound. But I'm just happy I can finally... I got to put this on a shelf somewhere. Kind of like I this one. I maybe replace the Vega with it. I'm just happy I'm able to complete the set. I will be... Hopefully... I'm probably going to build a PC with these two. Because this is... How could I deny the chance? Also, it's using an MSI motherboard, so it is red and black already. I don't actually know... no, it's the one over there. Okay. Is it X570? No, it's my X570. I have two of the same MSI boards. That's the point. I hope you guys kind of enjoyed. This card is I'm gonna try to do so much. If you want me to do anything with this card, tell me what you want me to do with this card. I would love an excuse to make a video about it. Would you like me to build a PC with this card? Do you want to see a performance on it? Now, one thing I will say is that there will be probably a major CPU bottleneck on a system. Like, I don't want to say a bottleneck. It'll be a great gaming system, a 2700X special edition with this, but it's not going to be using half of what it's capable of. This thing is meant for like insane professional workstation stuff. It's got 16 gigs of HBM too. That's like the best memory. And that's a lot of it. 16 gigs. I don't have another card with 16 gigs. My highest is 11 and it's a 1080 Ti. Has 11 gigs of GDDR5X. This has 16 gigs of HBM too, which stands for high bandwidth memory too. That's insane. This card, I can't wait to use this card. Maybe for video editing. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. It's just, if you want me to see anything, if you want to see anything with this Radeon 7, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.